This display has the fault of no picture but sound is okay. I Vinod Kenny welcome you all to my YouTube channel Magic Care Electronics. Before searching for faulty area we need to check panel voltage. 3.3 volt is okay. "16-volt AVDD supply line is not okay. 12-volt at boost coil is okay, but pulse on the other side of the coil is not generating. I will have to check this diode. This diode looks like a transistor but it is a diode. This diode has 3 terminals. It has 2 diode in one packing. Part number of this diode is A7. This diode is used in pump circuit of DC to DC section, used for producing VGH voltage. This diode is short, needs to be replaced. Now I am soldering a new diode here. Now I am testing this diode. It is showing OK diode test reading. Now I am getting 16-volt AVDD supply. I am getting 32-volt VGH supply. I am getting -7 volts VGL supply. Now I am connecting T-con board to panel side. After connecting T-con board to panel side, all boost supply gone wrong. Now I have to check the boost line for any other short line. For this I will keep multimeter in diode test range. Here I am getting short reading in VGL line. Now I have found that VGL line is short from source PCB side. Now I am going to remove the cable. Short reading of VGL is found on source PCB. To find what is short in VGL line I am using handmade 12-volt AC 7A power supply. Before doing this action always remove T-con board. I am using 13.6-volt AC with high current to find short component. I am showing demonstration how this short killer works. Keep eagle eye on entire source PCB. Flame will show the faulty component. Amazing, we got the faulty component. It was level shifter IC. Now I will replace the level shifter IC. Now all of the T-con supply is okay. Without level shifter IC picture will be like this as shown. With on-screen display line will move. Now I am fixing new level shifter IC. IC has been replaced. As you can see, good work with good art. Now I am testing level shifter clock 1 to 6 signal with the help of DSO. All the 6 clock signals are of 16 kHz. Now showing vertical start pulse. Nice work done, mission is accomplished. Bye for now, see you in next video. Till then, goodbye, have a great day. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press notification bell to get latest update on TV repair. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, press bell icon to get latest updates on TV repair. Here is my phone number and postal address. You can call me for TV repairs. Send mainboard for repair to my postal address. See you in next video.